Hey everyone, and welcome in. I am Kinyo. Today I'm introducing you to a new part of the channel, which is dedicated to editing of travel videos. So, for those of you who don't know, I have a YouTube channel called World of Kinyo. I've been running it for around a year and a half, and in there I put all my travel adventures. So, I decided to bring you into the process of editing travel videos so you guys can see firsthand. So you'll be able to watch me work through the footage live, choose the strongest moments, shape the pacing, refine the structure, turn rock clips into a finished travel video. So because a lot goes into making content feel smooth and engaging and worth watching, I think these streams will give you a real look at how that happens. So if you enjoy travel content creation or seeing how videos come together behind the scenes, keep an eye out for these live streams ahead. So I welcome you to World of King You. I'm looking forward to bringing you even closer to the journey and for you to keep me company throughout these cozy live stream moments. Thank you so much for being here and see you soon. Bye.